first thing that you need to do, of course, is to duplicate your background layer. And I'm going to go on down here to the adjustment panel, and I'm going to create a new adjustment layer. Just take a look one day that, there are lots of different things that you can do here. For now, we're just going to click on black and white. All right, so that gives us a black and white. Now, for your black and whites, never go into Lightroom and just desaturate your image, okay? Because it's not going to be a very interesting black and white. Once you've created your black and white, now what you're going to do is play with all of these sliders to try to adjust each of the levels. Like right now, we're looking at our yellows. And even though you can't see any colors in the image right here, well, there's a little bit of green happening down at the bottom. But it doesn't mean that the colors are not there. So you can see that there is quite a bit of cyan in the original image. If I just turn off that black and white layer, we're going to be able to see. And therefore, for those are the tones that are going to be adjusted when I go into my black and white. All right, now I'm going to check out the blues. And really, there's no right or wrong. It's just, what do you like in your image? Well, I like a lot of contrast. In my black and whites, I want to have something that's a little bit interesting and not so flat. Anyway, but that's basically how you're going to go about creating a black and white image. There are other things that you can do as well. Like you can take a look at these presets if you wish and see if one of those would work well for your image. All right, that's how to create a black and white.